Are you ready to transform your financial future? Welcome to your Financial Mindset Makeover. Today we're diving into the significance of shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance. We'll explore how this mindset revolution can alter your financial trajectory. With practical tips and inspiring success stories, we're set to illustrate how you can make this transformation. Say goodbye to the scarcity mindset and embrace abundance. The journey to redefining your relationship with money and making your dreams a reality starts here. The Financial Mindset Makeover starts now. So what exactly is a scarcity mindset? Picture this. You're at a crossroads with a dollar bill in your hand. One path leads to a mindset where you constantly worry about running out of money, where every decision is laden with fear of loss. This, my friends, is the scarcity mindset. This mindset can be likened to a pair of glasses with a distorted lens, skewing your perception of financial potential. It's like being in a room full of opportunities, yet only seeing the closed doors. Picture John, a talented artist who never sold his paintings because he feared people wouldn't pay enough. Or Savannah, a brilliant entrepreneur who missed out on lucrative opportunities because she was too afraid to risk her savings. Their financial growth was stunted, not by lack of skill or opportunity, but by their scarcity mindset. As you can see, a scarcity mindset can be a serious obstacle to wealth creation. But don't worry, it's not a life sentence. You can shift to an abundance mindset. Now let's talk about the abundance mindset. An abundance mindset is about believing that there's plenty for everyone. It's about understanding that life isn't a zero-sum game, where one person's gain is another's loss. Quite the contrary, it's recognizing that opportunities for success are limitless and that wealth can be created, not just divided. Think of it as a vast ocean of possibilities, where new opportunities are like waves, constantly rolling in with the tide. With an abundance mindset, you see these waves not as threats, but as a chance to surf, to ride high on the crest of opportunity. Take the story of Diana, for instance. She started with nothing but a dream and a passion for fashion. She used to believe that success was for others, those born into wealth or privilege. But when she embraced the abundance mindset, she saw that her success wasn't at the expense of others. She opened a boutique and it thrived. Today, she runs a chain of successful fashion stores. Or consider James, a tech enthusiast, who used to think he was too late to the game. But once he adopted the abundance mindset, he saw that innovation doesn't have a deadline. He started his own tech company and now leads a team of innovators, making a significant impact in the tech space. Adopting an abundance mindset is a game changer. It's the first step to transforming your financial future. So how can you shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset? Let's delve into some practical tips and strategies. Firstly, setting financial goals is paramount. Just as a ship without a compass is lost at sea, so too are we without clear financial objectives. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, or building a retirement nest egg, these goals give us direction and motivation. Next, investing in self-education is equally crucial. The world of finance can be complex, but don't let that deter you. There are countless resources available, from books and podcasts to seminars and online courses. Begin to learn about how money works. Learn about creating multiple income streams. All of this information is readily available to you, even on this channel. And just as one super inspiring example, consider the story of Tracy. Despite her humble beginnings, Tracy dedicated herself to learning about personal finance. Today, she is a successful investor with a diversified portfolio. Lastly, maintaining a positive attitude towards money is key. Money is a life-changing tool that, when used wisely, can provide freedom and wonderful opportunities to help many people along the way. Remember the story of Tom. He used to fear money, viewing it as a source of stress. After shifting his mindset, he now sees money as a means to create opportunities, not only for himself, but for others as well. Always remember, as the Bible implores us in Romans chapter 12, we must be transformed by the renewing of our minds. This is a daily, ongoing process, not a one-time event. Commit to this transformation and you'll see incredible results. All right, that wraps up our Financial Mindset Makeover. We've explored the scarcity mindset, embraced the abundance mindset, and shared practical tips to shift your mindset towards wealth creation. Remember, transforming your financial future starts from within. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which tip are you going to work on first? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more wealth building and self-development insight. Until next time, stay focused, stay productive, stay fruitful.